Ever wondered how to keep your green companions thriving when you're off exploring the world? Welcome back to another episode of Creature Convo Chronicles. Today, we're diving into the art of keeping your plants hydrated while you're on vacation. Imagine being all set for your getaway. But there's just one hitch. Who will look after your plant family? Fret not. We have some ingenious ways to ensure your plants don't miss you too much. Consider the trusty watering can. A good soak before you depart should suffice for a short break. But for longer absences, we need to get a bit more inventive. Enter the water wick technique. It's simple yet effective. You need a water container, a piece of cotton string, and of course your plant. One end of the string goes into the water, the other into the plant's soil. Like a straw, the string draws water to the plant's roots, keeping it quenched while you're away. But here's a twist. Ice cubes. A few ice cubes on the soil will gradually melt, slowly releasing water. It's a neat way to hydrate your plants without the risk of overwatering, plus it's a fun little surprise for your green pals. Another clever method is the plastic bag technique. Take a plastic bag, make a few small holes, and set it upside down in the plant's soil. Fill the bag with water and secure it around the plant's base. As the soil dries, water trickles from the bag, providing a steady supply of hydration. And for those willing to make a small investment, self-watering pots are the way to go. These pots have a built-in reservoir that releases water into the soil as needed. It's like having a plant nanny. So with these easy and effective tips, you can head off on your adventures, confident that your leafy friends are well cared for. If you found this useful, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Creature Convo Chronicles for more plant-centric advice, and share your plant care queries in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy your plants and your travels.